Hello, students. So, we've been talking about potential and kinetic energy, and one of the things I want to talk about is a special case, which is a pendulum. Now, the pendulum is a string attached to a rubber ball, basically. And in order to turn the pendulum on, you grab this ball from the center line and you pull it up and then you let it go. So, now the pendulum is interesting in terms of potential and kinetic energy, and here's why. Because it changes the potential and kinetic energy all the time. So, for example, when the ball, now let's review some terms. Potential energy is energy due to position, and kinetic energy is energy due to motion. So, the pendulum shows both in a single swing. So if you were to grab this pendulum and bring the ball all the way up to here, you would be giving it potential energy. And when you let it go, it then has kinetic energy. Then at the top, it has potential energy again. Dropping it back down, it picks up kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy right here at the bottom. And then it starts picking up potential energy until it stops at the top. So at this time, stop what you're doing and go over and take the R3 quiz on pendulums.